Students, in this lesson, we will be covering Objective 2, which is to differentiate between solid, liquid, and gaseous state in terms of the arrangement, movement, and the spaces between the particles. Can you think of any differences between the solids, liquids, and gases? We are now going to study the different states of matter in terms of the movement, arrangement, and spaces between the particles. Let's now look at the spaces between the particles in all the three different states. In solid and liquid state, the particles are closely packed together, whereas in gaseous state, the particles are far apart. As for the arrangement of particles in solid, the particles are arranged in an orderly arrangement, whereas in liquid, the particles are not arranged in an orderly arrangement. The particles in gas occupy all the spaces in the container, and there is no orderly arrangement of particles in the gaseous state. Let's now look at the movement of particles. In solid states, the particles in solid cannot move freely, but instead vibrate in their fixed positions. In liquid state, the particles move over short distances and slide past each other. The particles in gas can move freely and rapidly in all directions. Now, let's look at the drawing of the particles in solid, liquid, and gaseous state. For solid state, the particles are drawn closely packed together in an orderly arrangement. In liquid state, the particles are drawn closely packed but not in an orderly arrangement. In gaseous state, the particles are drawn far apart. Alright students, you will now complete the drawing of the particles in the boxes. Alright students, this will be the end of today's lesson objectives.